Welcome to the Anti-Anxiety Meditation. Whenever you're feeling anxious, take a few minutes out for this gentle meditation. In just a few minutes, you can release the false narrative playing in your imagination and reconnect to a loving, more supportive reality. Begin with a deep breath. As you inhale deeply, feel a calmness enter your body. As you exhale, send it your thanks. Take another deep breath, consciously allowing it to flow deep within you. Release it with gratitude. Take another deep breath and allow your awareness to flow to your heart space. Settle there and begin breathing normally. Let's think of water. Think of the magic of water existing in three forms: a liquid, a gas, and a solid. It shouldn't be possible, but it is. Think of the eternal state of water. It never dissipates. The water on earth has been and always will be. Think of how water passes through every human, animal, fish, insect, and plant. We all utilize water and then release it back to the collective. Think about how that endless recycling of water connects us all to each other. Think of the ever-present energy of water within us and outside of us, cleansing us physically and energetically. A stream of water is flowing by you. Toss your anxiety into it. Let's think of Earth. Think of how many feet have touched the very ground you walk upon in your daily life. The fact that this ground came from somewhere else, as dust blown across the ocean from the deserts of Africa, or a mountain heaved up from the deepest ocean. Every grain of soil was once part of a mountain or an ocean floor. Think of how this soil has grown food, has become dwellings, and supported every aspect of your physical body. It is part of your DNA. Feel the ground beneath you, supporting everything you are. Let's think of air. Think of the breath of everyone who ever existed mixing with the breath of all the animals and the breath of the trees. Think of how their breath is now the very air you breathe. Think of the power of air. Feel it move around you and within you. Think of the softness of air. Gentle puffs of it cool you now. Let's think of fire. Think of both the destructive power of fire and its shadow self of creation and regeneration. From the ashes comes new beginnings. Think of the first time fire appeared to humans. Imagine their surprise and wonder. Think of the fire that lives within you. It causes your heart to beat and your mind to do amazing things. Put your hand on your belly and feel the fire of your life force. Let's think of spirit. Think of the water, earth, air, and fire that lives within you. Think of them as allies to your spiritual evolution. How every gift they give you provides you with life. Spirit is in each of these elements, and these elements are within you. And spirit is within you. Think of the way spirit moves in your life, the miracles it delivers, the joy it brings to your heart. Think about how you move spirit with your amazing love for others. Feel your spirit self now. Connect to it and allow it to sustain you. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, settle into these 5 elements. This is what is real in this moment. Stay here as long as you wish, then open your eyes and see things differently.